talk about the incredible world of early mill power, where water rules. Many of the early textile mills were completely powered by water. It's why here in Waltham, Massachusetts, the Boston Manufacturing Company was located right next to the Charles River. Later, when the big mills of Lowell, Massachusetts were built, they stood next to the Merrimack River, using its water power. Rivers have a current, or force, that keeps the water in motion. Here in Waltham, the Charles River has a natural drop in height of about 10 feet. A dam was built at this spot to control the water flow, so there would always be enough power to the mill's water wheel. A canal directed water from the river above the dam through a tunnel beneath the building to spin the water wheel. The water returned to the river below the dam. As the water wheel spun, it rotated a big shaft, turning a bunch of gears that then turned pulleys, which spun leather belts, supplying power to all the machines. Every spindle spinning thread, every loom weaving cloth was all powered by water. Before water power, people used to spin thread and weave by hand. Now, thanks to water power, spindles spun dozens of spools of thread at once and moved those threads across looms at incredible speeds. This meant more cloth was made, and it became less expensive for people to buy, allowing them to have more clothes and household items to make life a little more comfortable. Today, when you look at the buildings of the Boston Manufacturing Company and notice its giant smokestack, you might assume that the mill was always powered by big, fiery furnaces to make steam power. And that was true later. But in the early days, it was water power that brought this mill to life.